Well, thank you so much, Ewan. I just have to say, thank goodness I don't have a paintbrush with me because I probably would have wanted to clap him over the head again for being so nice to me. So today we're taking a look at water conservation. Now, the question that I have for the little ones out there is, do you know exactly where water comes from, exactly where it goes, and how it's purified and how it's filtered as well? Now, over the next following 4 weeks, we are going to take a look at this every Tuesday and Thursday and give you some fun and interactive and educational experiments and games and just make it a bit more fun for you kids out there to learn about water conservation. So if you want to find out exactly how you can improve your environment and make your world a better place, make sure that you're locked onto the Expresso on SABC3 every Tuesday and Thursday. Well, this morning I'm joined by the educator of the Cape Town Science Centre, Amy Lowe, and also our budding scientists, Amy and Abigail. They join us here this morning as well. Good morning, ladies. Welcome. Morning. Now, I believe we're taking a look at a water purification system. Firstly, I have to tell you, I don't like complicated things and I'm really bad at getting things together, you know. So is this something nice and simple and easy? And exactly what are we going to be using?
It is very simple. We chose the simplest one for today. And what we'll be using is, first of all, the coffee filter paper.
Okay, so that's
I'm
pretty
sure you've
easy.
seen
Yes, I've seen one.
Yes. And we'll also be using sterilizing tablets.
Okay, where would I get those though?
These you can get at a pharmacy.
Okay.
Not all supermarket pharmacies have them, but pharmacies that stand alone usually do.
Okay, so right, so we need that, and then what else do we need?
For those who maybe do not want to get hold or can't get hold of the sterilizing tablets, there's also bleach.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Fantastic. I got that in my cupboard as well.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, so it seems pretty easy. And then I see you've also got 2 glasses there as well.
That's for anyone who's willing to drink the water after we've done it.
Oh, I wonder. Maybe I must get one of the staff over here to actually try it out. Maybe I'll do it. Okay, and then I see you've got a big sort of bottle here on the side as well.
Yes, this is what we've already prepared beforehand.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Just something beforehand.
So if you can show us the steps exactly, how would we start going about, you know, getting the water purification system together?
Okay, so like we know, our government already purifies the water.
Yes.
The companies already do all of that. But along the way to our taps in our homes, some plant debris, some sand may also be picked up.
I've always wondered about that.
Yeah, that's why some people prefer to have their own filter systems at home as well.
That is actually sitting on their taps, so that it comes out automatically filtered, okay?
Yeah. Of course, when you go camping and so forth, you don't always have these things with you.
Very true. Okay.
And one basic thing we need to remember is that boiling first is always best.
Yes, very true.
It is.
So when you're out camping, that's an excellent tip to know. Okay, so what do we do?
If you can do that, that's fine.
Excellent. Okay, so what do we do? We get...
Okay, so over here, Amy, if you could take a look at that.
Here we go,
Tell me,
Amy.
What does the water look like?
It's dirty and got sand and stuff.
Is there a ho in there as well? I think I just saw a ho there. I think it's floating or something. Okay. Okay, and so you've got the bottle with the dirty water, and I think that bottle over there has got some water in it as well?
Yes, that's where we'll be throwing the water into.
Okay, so let's get started, ladies.
Okay. So first, I'm going to need Abigail's help to put on the filter.
Come, Abigail, you can do it.
We've torn it in half so that it's not too big.
Okay.
So Abigail, we'll just put it over the top there.
And then you just tie it with an elastic to make sure that it's nice and tight, okay?
Okay, so just push it down. I like to push it down like this a bit.
Okay.
So that it doesn't flow over too much.
So Amy and Abigail, this looks like a lot of fun, hey? Do you like doing experiments?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. And then what do you do inside your home to help conserve water? Do you do anything like make sure that you keep the tap nice and tight so it's not leaking and things like that?
Yeah.
Okay, you must make sure you must get your whole household involved. You must get mom and dad and your sisters and your brothers to be like, listen guys, I'm going to be watching you. Make sure that you get yourself sorted out and make sure that you conserve water. Okay, so I see you've got it nicely, tightly bound. What are we going to do now?
Okay, so now, Amy, you can pour some of that water into the second bottle.
I think maybe Abigail, if you can hold the bottle there. There we go. Ooh.
Okay, just slowly. Because as you see, the filter, it stops the sand and things from going through into the second bottle.
It reminds me a lot of when you're busy cooking in the kitchen and then you got your rice or something like that. Or when you're trying to actually sieve flour as well. Yes. Okay, so pretty much the same type of concept. So very, very easy and simple to find in your kitchen, okay?
What you also see is that the filter, it slows the water down quite a bit though. Okay, so you can pour a bit more.
Okay.
Yeah. What do you see lying on the filter, Abigail? You see some of the sand, right?
Okay, so you can actually see everything. Now, once we've done that, what do we do?
After we've done that, we can take that off, Abigail.
Then we get those tablets together. All right. The sterilizing tablets.
Yes.
And then you're just going to plonk them into the bottle.
Yes.
And then once you're done with that, what would you do? And then is it sterilized after that? Is it good to drink?
You can put it down. It takes about 5 minutes.
Okay, so you must let it stand for about 5 minutes. Okay, great.
For it to fully react.
And then voila, you've got fresh water.
Yes.
I love it. I think I'm going to have to get you to come to my home. You're going to have to teach me a thing or two. Well, thank you, ladies, Amy and Abigail. Thank you so much for joining us. You must have yourself a wonderful day today, okay?
Thank
All right,
you.
and hope to see you back soon. Well, there you heard it. It's as simple as that, or as they say, as easy as pie. If you want to make sure that you're trying to conserve your environment and also make your world a better place. Well, stay tuned. We have lots more coming up after the break.
Stay with Expresso and SABC3.